ಹಿಂಗ್ ಜಂಪ್
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮರ ತಲೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಗಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಯಾ ಹಿಂದೆ ಜಂಪ್ Sakshi, unmute yourself and tell me the screen is visible and audible.
Yes, sir. Screen is visible and audible, sir.
Okay, okay.
ಜಂಪ್
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ
ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾ ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ ವ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದೇ ತಗೊಳತ್ತಲ್ವಾ
ಹಾ
ಕಿಟಕಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೋತಿದ್ದೆ
Good afternoon, everybody. The new topic, belt drives and gear drives. Belt drives and gear drives. First point, where do you use the belt drives and gear drives? First point. The belt drives are used to transmit the power from one place to the other place or one point to the other point, and gear drives to transmit the power developed in the engine to the gearbox to the wheel. So like that, you can use belt drives, gear drives, chain drive, rope drive, like that. So in your syllabus, you have only belt drives and gear drives. The belt drives. First thing, almost all of you gone to the flour mill for grinding of pulses, rice, and other items. You might have seen the power from the motor transmit to the flour mill through flat belt or V belt or rope drive. Nowadays, rope drive they are not using, only they are using V belt and flat belt. The V belt is made from rubber material. Inside, you have a fiber reinforcement. As we discussed in the composite material, in the same way, you have fiber reinforcement in the trapezoidal section of the V belt, transmitting the power from the motor to the flour mill through belt drive. The belts are made from, all of you observe here, belts are made of leather, cotton, canvas, rubber, and steel. Rubber and steel. The belt drives mainly used for transmitting the power from one place to the other place using parallel shaft, or there may be a change in the angle of the shaft. First, you write down belt drives. Belt drives. Underline that. Belt drives are used. Belt drives are used to transmit the power. Transmit the power Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Class join ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡು.
One second, sir.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ರ?
ಆಯ್ತು sir.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
Thank you, sir.
First, you write down belt drives. Title, belt drives. Remember, always write the title in uppercase letter. Not for EME class, not for other subjects. While writing any report or any explanation, always write the title in uppercase letter. That indicates that's the type of the explanation. In your lifetime, follow this rule, follow this method for writing the title in uppercase letters. First, you write down belt drives. Underline that, below that write down Belt drives are used to transmit the power in bracket write down rotation of the motor or engine, close the bracket. Belt drives are used to transmit the power in bracket write down rotation shaft of the motor, rotation of the motor or engine, close the bracket, transmit the power from one place to the other place, full stop. Continue the explanation. Belt drives are employed when power or motion is to be transmitted between two parallel shafts. A belt drive shown in figure consists of a belt drive consists of two pulleys over which an endless belt is passed. The diameter of the driving and driven pulleys depend on Sairaj. The diameter of the driving and driven pulleys depend on the speed ratio called velocity ratio of the drive. I repeat, the diameter of the driving and driven pulleys depend on the speed ratio called as velocity ratio of the drive. Underline the words speed ratio called as velocity ratio of the drive. Underline the sentence speed ratio called as velocity ratio of the drive. Next paragraph later, the power or motion The power or motion is transmitted. The power or motion is transmitted from the driving pulley. From the driving pulley to the driven pulley. To the driven pulley. To the driven pulley. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಹಣ್ಣು The power or motion is transmitted from the driving pulley to the driven pulley by the frictional grip. Frictional grip. Frictional grip. Underline the words frictional grip between the belt and the pulley. I repeat the word, all of you go through this sentence. The power or motion is transmitted from driving pulley to the driven pulley by the frictional grip between the belt and pulley. The meaning of this, the motor has the pulley and the floor mill also has the pulley, which is connected by endless belt drive. When you switch on the motor, what will happen? The belt rotates the floor mill pulley with the frictional grip, which keeps the pulley in frictional intact position. Otherwise, there will be a looseness or there will be a slipping of the belt takes place. The frictional grip, underline the word frictional grip. This is very, very important. The frictional grip between the pulley and the belt is very, very important. From that only you get the drive from motor to the machine tool. Motor to the machine tool. Obviously, write down, obviously, for the belt to move, obviously, comma, for the belt to move, comma, the tension on one side of the belt should be more than the other side. More than the other side. In bracket, write down tension and slack side. SLACK. Tension and slack side. Tension and slack. SLACK. Slack side. The capacity of the belt. Capacity of a belt drive depends on the tensions in the two sides of the belt. Comma, the angle of contact. The angle of contact and the coefficient of friction, mu. In bracket, write down mu. The angle of contact. This is very, very important. The angle of contact makes the belt, in which belt makes the contact with the pulley, and the coefficient of friction. Due to the coefficient of friction only, you have the drive transmitted from one place to the other place. Full stop. Next paragraph, write down. Belts will be either. Next paragraph, write down. Belts will be either flat or V shape. V means trapezoidal shape. V means trapezoidal shape. Trapezoidal shape. Belts are made from write down one by one. Number 1, leather. Number 2, cotton or canvas. Number 3, rubber. Next line write down. Number 4, steel. Number 4, steel. So this is the introduction of belt drive. Next, write down. Very, very important. Mark it. Very, very important. Types of belt drives. Types of belt drives. Types of belt drives. As I told you, the types of belt drives, underline that. The belt drives are classified into 2 types. Belt drives are classified into 2 types. Below that, write down number 1, open belt drive. Next line, write down number 2, crossed belt drive. Crossed belt drive. Write down the rough diagram of belt drive. Belt drive. Write down the rough diagram of belt drive. Put a small circle and big circle and join these 2 circles with a line like this. Small diameter and bigger diameter. Write down this driving. Driving means this is motor, and driven, this is the floor mill or any machine tool. Machine tool. Mention diameter D1. And for this bigger wheel, bigger pulley, this is the diameter D2. Before that, write this is the driving. This is driven. This is driving. This is driven. Upper portion, this is the slack side. Slack side. And this is tight side. Slack side and tight side. Slack side and tight side. And show the arrow mark like this. Curved arrow, N1. Speed N1. Speed N1. And here you show the arrow mark like this. Mention N2. Speed N2.
ಪಕ್ಕ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಯಾರು ಯಾರು ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಭಿಷನ್ ಹಾ write down, show the arrow mark like this, curved arrow, mention θ1, contact angle θ1. This side you show me like this and write this. Contact angle θ2. So this is the velocity of the belt speed, VB. Diameter D1, diameter D2, slack side, tight side, driving, driven, contact angle θ1, θ2, speed N1 and N2. Say in which RPM the driving pulley rotates, that is R1, sorry, N1, and the driven pulley rotates, that is N2. Imagine simple calculation. Say the driving pulley diameter is 100 millimeter. Imagine, this is very, very important. And driven pulley diameter 1000 millimeter. If you rotate driving pulley one rotation, one complete 360-degree rotation, how much rotation you will get in driven? Say driving pulley diameter is 100 millimeter and driven pulley diameter is 1000 millimeter. For rotation of one rotation of the driven pulley, how many times you have to rotate driving pulley? Say 100 is to 1000. 100 is to 1000. If you need one rotation of driven pulley, you have to turn driving pulley 10 times. 10 rotation of the driving pulley, you will get one rotation of the driven pulley. This is speed ratio. Speed ratio. Imagine once again, 100 is to 1000. That is 10 rotation of the driving pulley. You will get one rotation of the driven pulley. This is called speed ratio. 100 is to 1000 or 10 is to 100. So like this, the speed ratio can be used for calculation. Before that, types of belt drives, write down. Types of belt drives, write down one by one. Number one, open belt drive. Number two, cross belt drive. Cross belt drive. All of you go through the diagram. Left side you have open belt drive. Right side you have cross belt drive. Divide the page into two. Divide your page into two parts. This bottom portion is not required. Only you write upper portion. Open belt drive. Show bigger wheel in the left side, smaller wheel in the left side. In the same way, cross belt drive. Bigger wheel in the left side, smaller wheel in the right side. Connect these two circles with a line like this. Little deformed line, slack side. Connect this point to this. Connect this point to this and this point to this. That is, connect point L to M or to Q. Mention this is slack side, this is tight side. L, M, Q, R. L, M is the distance between the slack side. Q, R, distance between the tight side. That is the length of the belt LM. Length of the belt LM in slack side. Length of the belt in Q or tight side. In the same way, connect this point LM in the bottom portion and QR in the upper portion. The name itself indicates open belt. Open. Everything is open. And cross belt. There will be a cross connection between the bigger pulley and the smaller pulley. This is driven. This is driving. This is driven. This is driving and this is driven. Say, by observing these two diagrams, what do you have? Say, if you need the same direction of rotation, in the clockwise direction of rotation, then connect the pulleys with open belt drive. All of you observe here the direction of rotation of the driving pulley in clockwise direction. You have the rotation in the driven pulley in the same direction. This is very, very important. The belt which turns the driven pulley in the same direction which the driving pulley rotates. See, all of you observe here in the same direction you have the rotation. You have the rotation. The same direction of rotation you get if you connect the two pulleys by using open belt drive. Next, come to the point. If you connect the pulleys with the cross belt drive, you will get opposite side of rotation. If you rotate the driving pulley in clockwise direction, you will get the rotation in the anti-clockwise direction. In case of open belt drive, if you rotate the belt in clockwise direction, you will get the rotation in the driven pulley in the clockwise direction only. But in case of cross belt drive, if you rotate the driving pulley in clockwise direction, you will get the drive in the driven pulley anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. This is open belt drive and this is cross belt drive. All of you, please write down the diagram. Write down the diagram. Write to two circles. Connect the two centers. Write the vertical line like this and show the points L, Q in the driving pulley, M or in the driven pulley with your dotted line. Mention this is LM. Mention this is QR. See, the arrow mark indicates here they have made mistake. You show the same direction of rotation. Show the both the arrows are in the same direction. You make the change in the direction. Slack side arrow mark. Change this arrow mark in the same direction. You will get the direction of rotation in the clockwise direction only. Again, you change the direction of rotation here also. Then the pulley rotates in this direction. Here also they have made mistake. This is the slack side again, which is coming in this direction. You change the arrow mark direction, this direction. I made mistake by showing the arrow mark in the different direction. See, show the direction. This is correct and this is correct. Don't write these two arrow marks. This is correct and change the direction. This is in the opposite direction. Write down. Write down a question. Write a note on belt drives. Write a note on belt drives. For this question, write the explanation you have. For this drive, write this diagram. Write this diagram. Particularly, you have to show the slack side and tight side, driving and driven, and the N1 rotation of the driving pulley, θ1 contact angle. Next, write down. Explain briefly with neat sketch. Explain briefly with neat sketch open and cross belt drive. Open and cross belt drive. Almost all the question paper, you have this question. Explain briefly with neat sketch. Open belt. Explain briefly with neat sketch. Open and cross belt drive. Say, once the driving pulley rotates in the clockwise direction, show this arrow mark. Don't show this arrow mark. The same way you show this, and the arrow mark indicates rotating in the clockwise direction. This arrow is correct. This is not correct. Show this arrow mark in the opposite direction so that the open belt drive is used for rotating the driven pulley in the same direction. But cross belt drive, if you rotate the driving pulley in clockwise direction, you will get the rotation in the driven pulley anti-clockwise direction because it is connected in cross direction. The name itself indicates cross belt. Cross. All of you observe here. This is open. This is cross. And also mention this is the tight set. Always due to gravity, the bottom portion of the belt, always you have tightness. For that reason, it is called tight set. From the top, you have slagging. For that reason, it is called slack side. So this is the slack side and this is the tight side. So here also they have made mistake and show the arrow mark in the opposite direction. Say in the open belt drive, write down number 1, 2 pulleys rotate in the same clockwise direction. Cross belt drive, write down number 1. Pulleys rotate in the opposite direction. Pulleys rotate in the opposite direction. Opposite direction. In bracket, write down driving pulley rotate in clockwise direction. And driven pulley rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Due to cross belt. Close the bracket. So all of you observe here. Both are rotating in the same direction in cross belt drive. So both are rotating in the same direction in open belt drive. In cross belt drive, both are rotating in the opposite direction. That's the major difference between open belt drive and cross belt drive. Number 1, 2 pulleys are rotating in the same clockwise direction, but in cross belt drive, pulleys are rotating in the opposite direction. Driving pulley in the clockwise and the driven pulley in the anti-clockwise direction. Next line, write down number 2. Length of the belt is smaller. All of you understand? All of you know that everything is open. The belt required for running the driving and driven pulley is small because everything is open. Only the open side you close the diameter or circumference of the pulley. But in case of cross belt drive, you need little bit more belt than the open belt because that is in the cross side. So that you understand while deriving the derivation of length of the belt in case of open belt drive and length of the belt in case of cross belt drive. So among two derivations, one is 100% guarantee in the examination. Calculate the length of the belt in case of open belt drive or in case of cross belt drive. You understand that in the later classes. Now you just write down number 2, length of the belt is smaller, length of the belt is larger. In the cross belt drive, number 2, write down length of the belt is larger. Length of the belt is larger. You write down angle of lap, or write down like this: angle of contact or lap is different angle of contact or angle of lap is different for driver and driven pulley. Angle of lap is different for driver and driven pulley. See, from Q to L, this is the contact angle Q to L from the larger side, and M to R in the smaller side of the driven pulley. That is, angle of contact or angle of lap is different for driver and driven pulley. Next, in the same thing, angle of contact or angle of lap. All of you observe here. L, M, Q, R, both are same. L, M, and Q, R. See the contact, only this much portion of the pulley has the contact with the belt, R and M, and L and Q. So that is angle of contact or angle of lap is same for driver and driven pulley. Driver and driven pulley. Driver and driven pulley. Driver and driven pulley. Write down a question. Explain briefly with neat sketch. Open and cross belt drive. You may have the question like this also. Write down one more question. One more question. Distinguish clearly the open belt drive and the cross belt drive. Cross belt drive. Cross belt drive. Once again, what are the portions covered today? The belt drive, introduction of belt drive. Belt drives are used to transmit the power from one place to the other place by using flat belt, V belt, and other type of belt. And belts are used to transmit the power between the two parallel shafts. And also the speed ratio, velocity ratio, and the angle of contact and the coefficient friction are very, very important. All of you observe here. Velocity ratio or speed ratio, angle of contact, and coefficient of friction. These three are very, very important for problem. You have to consider velocity ratio or speed ratio, angle of contact, and coefficient of friction. Usually, belts are made from leather, cotton, canvas, rubber, and steel. And this is the diagram for belt drives. Belt drive. Let's come to the point. The classification of belt drive or belt drive. Classification of belt drive or types of belt. Belt drives are classified into two. One is open belt drive, other one is closed belt drive. Say in the cross belt drive and the open belt drive, the rotation is very, very important. In open belt drive, you have the same direction of rotation, but in cross belt drive, you have the opposite direction rotation. So for that reason, if you need opposite direction of rotation, then go for cross belt drive. If you need the same direction of rotation, then go for open belt drive. Next class, very, very important. Almost all the question paper, you have a question on derive an expression for length of the belt in case of open belt drive or cross belt drive. Among two, one is 100% guarantee in the examination. Derivation for length of the belt in case of one open belt drive or cross belt drive. Among two types of belt drives, length of the belt, calculation of length of the belt or derivation of the length of the belt. This is very, very important. You have this question in the examination. Among two, one is 100% guarantee. Now, I stop at this stage. All of you, write your name and USN in the chat box and answer roll call. Answer roll call. Pratik CR.
Yes, sir.
Sandeep. All of you unmute yourself. Answer roll call. Sandeep. Samar.
Sir.
Swati.
Present, sir.
Syed.
Present, sir.
Vachan. Belgod.
Present, sir.
Tanmay.
Present, sir.
Chitra or
Present, sir.
Shreya Ganapati.
Present, sir.
Vinayashri.
Present, sir.
Shreya S. Bharadwaj.
Present, sir.
Rukmini S.
Present, sir.
Sanjana TR.
Present, sir.
Shraddha CS.
Present, sir.
Srijan.
Present, sir.
Akshi.
Present, sir.
Suhas DB.
Present, sir.
Kushi MA.
Present, sir.
Junaid Fardin.
Present, sir.
Vinayaka.
Present, sir.
Neha.
Present, sir.
Yatindra.
Present, sir.
Shravya D.
Present, sir.
Vinayashri JS.
Present, sir.
Vijendran.
Yes, sir.
Iba GM.
Present, sir.
Banushri.
Present, sir.
Manya SH.
Present, sir.
Ruchita SR.
Present, sir.
Amruta S.
Present, sir.
Shreyom.
Present, sir.
Pooja R.
Present, sir.
Arjun.
Present, sir.
Jason.
Jason, present, sir.
Jason. Vaishnavi.
Present, sir.
Yashaswini. Samarth G.
Present, sir.
Shivansh Verma.
Present, sir.
Kushal.
Yes, sir.
Siri KS.
Present, sir.
Manikya.
Present, sir.
Manikya.
Present, sir.
Varsha CU.
Present, sir.
Varshita. Tanyata.
Present, sir.
Anushri.
Present, sir.
Sufi Andreas,
Present, sir.
Zikria, Spandana,
Present, sir.
Vinith G,
Present, sir.
Vishwas Lesis,
Present, sir.
Salik,
Present, sir.
Mohammad Sahil, Sanjana KJ,
Present, sir.
Junaid,
Present, sir.
Manoj P,
Present, sir.
Jason,
Present, sir.
Deepti,
Present, sir.
Krupa HT.
Present, sir.
Anybody else?
Sir, Syed Akil.
Jones, okay. Next.
Syed Akil, sir.
Syed Akil, okay. Next.
Yashaswini, sir.
Arun? Yashaswini, okay. Next. Okay, anybody else? Okay, now I stop at this stage. I will continue in the next class. Tomorrow's class is very important. All of you attend. Otherwise, you lose your 10 marks in the exam.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.